Motorcycle Rosso.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are here close to the summer, at the start of the summer, here in Stalos Beach in Chania, and we will present you Cruisim 300 by Sanyang Motors. What about this motorcycle scooter? Is it a good scooter? It's good enough for the town? It's good enough for outside of the town? Or it's good enough to going even very far away from the town? So, watch this video and you will learn everything about this bike. What we got here? We got a scooter from Republic of China, a Sanyang motor, that is a nice scooter with a lot of things on it. We got a windscreen that you can move it in two positions. This is the lower. It's got also a higher position that you have to change the position, not manual, not electronic, but with the tools. We got mirrors that they are closing. They give a good view back. We got a typical LCD screen that makes your life hard, then you want to make a video on it. Okay, this screen, it's easy to see it now because in the bridge to bridge it's very hard to film this kind of screens then you are alive. It's a good enough. RPM counter from the one side, fuel counter from the other side, temperature, total kilometers, daily kilometers, clock, voltmeter, and few bliblica from the left side that take a look from the left side. Now that I will close it and I will open it again. This. Okay? See it once more. This is if you forget to flush your toilet in the house. Very important. So that's it. You got handles, a big saddle, a lot of space for the rider, and also we got we got something alive here because it's very deep, and also except this alive thing is a USB connection also. With the key, I am sure that in 10 years I will try to explain to the new riders, if I am still alive and okay, what is the key. So with that key that we put it here, except that we are starting the bike, we are opening the seat that has got a lot of space down of it. Think that is existing already one full face helmet. You can put another one and also a few more things. Also it's got light inside, it's got position for the papers, it's got position for the tool, and also it's going up and down with hydraulic system. Nice, nice. Also, you open the cap of the gasoline. The cap is inside. And also there is a bit of space that you can put inside few coins and the keys and etc. So we got a single stand, we got a double stand, and we got steppers also for the second rider that they got rubber on it. So I'm going up. The position is typical for the category, very typical for the category. I feel comfortable. I want the position a little bit more up. I like more another kind of scooters, but anyway, I have enough space. Everything is in a correct position. I have TSC button here. No, this. Close. It's okay. So, Georgia, please. Tell me, how are you feeling back in there? It's okay?
That's a very nice.
You can move easily inside the city and out of it?
Of course.
You can stay in this saddle for 150 kilometers?
I think so.
Yeah, so it's okay. So it's a nice bike for both of the riders. We feel comfortable. I feel comfortable, I have a good view back, I am well protected and everything is fine. Let's hear the sound. The sound is okay. So let's start. Let's move this bike and see if we will feel comfortable. We have to change some direction. We do it very easily, so it's going to be fine in the city. Let's see the braking. The braking is very good, and the performance is not the best of the category, but it's fine. So a nice bike, I can say. What we got here? A 4-stroke, single, 4 valves, liquid cool engine that give us 26.2 Nm at 6,750 RPM and 26.4 horses at 7,500 RPM. Okay, we got by the book the consumption of 3.2 liters gasoline per 100 kilometers. I believe that is something more. And we got the weight of 194 kilos. Trustful engine, we know that for years. I use it also in my scooter. It's a good engine, not with the best performance, but trustful and with many spare parts all around, at least in my country. So I'm very positive in this engine. What we got here, typical for the category, everything. Windscreen, lights here, everything lit, excellent spotlights, good looking and give you very good visibility at night. This Air Max thing that you can go faster only with this. This is only something that can give you plus 5 horses more than those that the engine gives you. So we got the radiator inside that is well protected, and we got a fork that is enough for this performance. We got 4 piston caliber front, 2 piston caliber back, and let's say that the braking of this motorcycle, of course with ABS, it's good enough for the category and the purpose of this motorcycle. Quality. First of all, I have to tell you that this motorcycle has got something like a 6,500 kilometers. So that means that this is not a brand new. So a bit of time has passed, few kilometers have already passed, so we speak more clear for durability. The bike looks okay. We don't have any problem nowhere. We have a few scratches around here, probably because the owner put things like this here. And the quality of the saddle, it's very good. The saddle, the truth is that it's a little bit hard, but the quality, all the quality of the saddle is very good, and it's a very good looking saddle. The plastics are very good, soft, and very well connected. Somewhere I saw that a screw is missing before. Maybe it's from here or from there. There is a screw that is missing. I think it's here somewhere. So Otherwise, everything is okay. My opinion is that this bike is well made. Traction control in a scooter. No burnouts with the scooters anymore. The traction control stops us. Ah! Is it a good scooter? It is. It's a motorcycle scooter with engine that we know for years and is very trustful. The performance of that engine is not the best possible, is not bad. It's somewhere in the middle. The durability is good. It's very good, the durability. The scooter is a bit big and make your life a little bit hard to park it inside the city. But you move easily because it's got small wheels and passing easily through the cars. Outside of the city, for sure, you can move from one city to the other. Of course, you cannot make the round of the world. The power is not enough. But you can move from the city to the next city or maybe in the city before. So you can move easily every day and in the summer with your wife, with your girlfriend and etc. So the plastics are fine and the bike is typical looking as all the bikes in this category. The screen is not so modern, but it's okay. You can see it in any lighting conditions. You are safe, you got traction control and you got ABS. So, nice scooter, Georgia. Tell me, Georgia, what are you thinking about it?
Well, I think that I feel very safe on this motorcycle. I think it's a little big, but it's light. It's light, it's very nice inside the
It's
car.
light, then you ride it, because otherwise it's not so light.
Yes, that's what I mean.
Yes?
And it's very practical.
It is.
Very, very practical. Maybe the most practical I've ever seen. And I'm very, very positive.
Πήμα να πω.
Γι' αυτό έκανε στάση. Ναι, για να τα πεις
Είναι
πήμα.
θάλασσα.
Καλά. Για πες.
Το Cruisim αγόρασα και πήγα στην παραλία να δω να κολυμπάει καμιά αξόπλατη κυρία. Εκάθισα λιγάκι, την πήρα λίγο μάτι, μετά έφυγα και έμεινα μανάτι. Πηματάρα, έτσι.
Να μείνεις.
Πηματάρα, πηματάρα. So, ladies and gentlemen, φεύγει αυτή. So, ladies and gentlemen. Πού πάσαι, έλα εδώ βρε. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Georgia and Ioannis for κόκκινα φεγγάρια Motorcycle Rock Show. Thanks for watching us.
Thank you very much.
Okay, this is the 3 scooters and 300 cubics by Sim, Sanyang Motors. This is the Cruisim of our video, you know everything about it, but this is in a grey color. This is the HD. If you want to know more about the scooter, you can see our full review. It's an elegant scooter with not so lot of space down of the seat or down. It's more elegant scooter. And finally, Joyride 16-inch wheel scooter with a lot of space in the carpet, space down of here, good protection of the weather. You can see it also in a full review in our channel. So, which one you like more, you choose. What you want, you choose, and then you choose your scooter.
Κόκκινα φεγγάρια, Motorcycle Rock Show.
The tank is in perfect condition.